Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a small haul that I got from the mall. Yeah, let's get into the video. So I just put everything in this really cute basket. I did buy a few other things from the mall as well, but considering that this is a squishy channel, I'm assuming that most of you don't really care what else I got. So I'm not going to show those things. If you guys want to see them, you can comment down below, but I'm pretty sure most of you don't. So I'm just going to show the squishies that I got. So as I said, I put it in this bin. So the first squishy I got was from Miniso, and it is this mini fridge magnet squishy. And this is so cute. It really reminds me of my cat because he's an orange cat. So yes, this was very adorable, and it was a pretty squishy. I like how like thick it feels, so I got it. So it comes with this really cute packaging, the cap off. And here's the squishy, so it has like a little magnet on the back. It's very soft, silky texture. Yeah, it's just like a nice squishy. It's nice, I like it. There's that one. And then the next ones I got are from Daiso, and yeah, I'll just show you guys. So the first one I got is this Sumika Garashi like lizard in a cup, and I have a similar one already. There's also the like green design. I forgot their names, but the green one. And yeah, I didn't think that one was as cute, so I got this one. And it comes in like a little blue cup with fish on it. It's super cute. I love that, and I like the detail on the back of the little spines. I don't know. There's also licensing on the bottom, and it is supposedly scented, so I don't know what it smells like. I think it just smells sweet, so there's that one. Oh.
I actually have like a lot of these already. Okay, so these are not the ones I got today, but I'm just going to show you guys the old ones I have. So I have this one, and this one, I have this one.
Put the background noise, it's really loud. I've cleared the window open. And then the one that I have is similar to this one is this like a beef fry or like something, tonkatsu, I don't know, in a little yellow cup that says fry on it. So yeah, that. They have like a lot of designs of these ones, but I thought that these two were the cutest, so I got these two. Next one I got is this really cute Coronia scented squishy, and this is like the design with the toast, like its head in a toast. And I have like, I saw a different one over there as well. I think it was like, it's kind of like this one, but it was like in the cornet. But I decided to get this one because I thought it was cuter. I think it looks so silly. And look at the toe beans, and I think that's just scented. I think it just smells sweet again. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that one. So there's that one. And then the last squishy I got is this other Coronia scented squishy. And this was the last design of this one left, so I'm not sure if there's other colors of this, but this is just the one I got. I think it's really cute. It's pretty big as well. And it's just like the head. So I will take this one out. Oh, it's very soft. So here's the squishy. It's very cute. It's a pink cat, and there's a licensing. It's like a little pink cat with some other designs on it. Sorry about the state of my hands. They're very dry for some reason. But anyways, this one actually smells like sweets. Like, I know that's not very descriptive, but that, I don't know, it just smells like a sweet squishy to me. It smells like the common squishy smell, so I don't know what to say about that one. But it's very squishy, and I think it'd be a really cute keychain on your bag. But it might get dirty. I don't know about that one actually. I'm sorry about the fan noise. It's literally 30 degrees outside right now. It's so hot. I don't know what to say, but I bought 2 things from Miniso, so I'm just gonna show you guys. First one I'm really excited about, it's this Hello Kitty slow rebound sticky stress relief toy. It's just a squishy. So here's the packaging. It says Miniso Hello Kitty slow rebound sticky stress relief toy, slow rebound. It can be sticked to something.
Hello Kitty was born in London, England on November 1st. For more than 40 years, she has been popular all over the world. The original Japanese team has combined today's trends to introduce you to a totally new character to fans. Hello Kitty and Miniso, 2 international brands, join forces to bring you more surprises.
Cute. And then, I'm guessing that's the stickable thing. I think. Yeah, okay. Great. Anyways. So here's the squishy. It's so cute. And it has Miniso on the back. I don't know why does it have all those numbers, but anyways. And then her cute little tail, and has a Hello Kitty licensing. And this is so cute. I know that they have some other designs, but the Miniso at my area only had Hello Kitty, so this is really airy. And it's pretty nice texture. It's not bad, better, but for the price it wasn't too bad. It's a nice shape. It's a very round, cute shape. So there's that one. Should I turn the light? Is that better? Okay. Next item I got I'm super excited for. It's this Cinnamoroll Small Paradise figurine. So it has a so cute. So cute. What did I get? Oh, let me show you guys all the designs first. So here are all the designs that you can get. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, is that the cotton candy one, I think? And these things. Let me open them up. I got all the things out. So the things are in here were this stand. This really cute cotton candy maker, and it has actual wheels that roll. And then the little cotton candy that Cinnamoroll can hold. Wow, Cinnamoroll is really weighty. He's actually pretty heavy. That's good. Good quality. Put it on the stand. His little cotton candy maker. So adorable. You're so cute. And they're also pearly. Why am I shaking so much? So that's everything I got from Miniso. Let me take that away. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know how I almost forgot to show this, but it came with a mini card. It just says 2022 Sanrio, and then Cinnamoroll Small Paradise Sweet Cotton Candy, because that's the design card. It's just a better view of the squishy. I let it cool off a bit because it was really hot when I filmed it before. It makes a nice sound when you squish it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but here's the licensing. I don't know, but anyways. Super cute. So that was all the squishies I got from the mall today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.